Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this Dollar Tree sink mat, an 8x10 frame from Walmart, and some snowflakes from Dollar Tree. I removed the canvas from the frame and painted it with Plaster Chalk Paint by Waverly. I painted the entire thing, giving it 2 coats. Next, I will be painting the sink mat in Dusk Color Chalk Paint, also by Waverly. I used a sponge to apply it, and I just did a large area enough to cover the frame. And I just did that a couple coats till it had full coverage, and you only need to do one side. Once that was done and dry, I cut it down to size of the frame. After I have it cut down, I hot glue it to the back of the frame, doing one side at a time so I can make sure that I get it nice and tight all the way around. The next thing I do is take some wood filler and just fill in the holes that are on those snowflake cutouts. I then paint them front and back with the plaster chalk paint as well, and I gave them 2 coats. After those are dry, I take some Glamour dust in the color Silver Bling and just brush on one side of the snowflake. The last thing I do is set them inside the frame on the sink mat, just getting them lined up how I want them, and then glue a small section of them down onto the mat. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.